Welcome to the Hot Mic SE.
A look inside Cassper Nyovest's star-studded all-white party celebration. Cassper Nyovest hosted a star-studded Bilato all-white party, which was a celebration of his 33rd birthday. The rapper was born on the 16th December 1990, but he hosted the party on 17th December at his lavish home. Some of his attendees include the Bilato brand ambassador tours, his friends Kelfiwe Madpote and Boiti Tulu. The stars came out to mingle at Cassper Nyovest's all-white party, with Bilato being the focal point of the celebrations. The Bilato all-white affair took place on 17th December at Cassper's Johannesburg mansion, strategically coinciding with his 33rd birthday celebration. The rapper was born on 16th December 1990. The party goers who attended included the Bilato brand ambassador tours and his celebrity friends Kelfiwe Mabote and Boiti Tulu and many more. Take a look at some of the pictures posted on his Bilato Instagram page, Bilato1. Bilato became the best-selling beverage after release. The double celebration is also to acknowledge Bilato's recurring success. The drink was released on his 31st birthday in 2021. Cassper took to social media to celebrate the success of his alcoholic beverage, Bilato. After it was released, Bilato became the 8th best-selling liquor in South Africa. Happy birthday to Cassper Nyovest once more, and congratulations on his brand. Thank you all for watching, and please don't forget to kindly drop your comments, drop a like, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more updates. Thank you.